Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City. Saves money. How's everybody doing today? Hope that this video finds everybody doing well. Sharon, thank you for this recipe. We're going to talk today about a 3-ingredient apple sauce cake recipe. What I love is that it just takes 3 ingredients, and guess what? You don't even need to use any eggs. Love, love, love that idea, because then you can use your eggs for other things like real meals. Just saying, just saying. So this is a very affordable cake. And by the way, just to mention, you can even use your own homemade applesauce should you not have the jarred applesauce. Just saying, just saying. So basically, it's just so easy. Basically, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And what you're going to need is 1 box of yellow cake mix, whatever company you like to work with. 1 box yellow cake mix. 1½ cups of applesauce. 1/4 cup of oil. That's it for the ingredients. And of course, you're going to mix it together the way you normally would mix your cake together. I would put this in a 13-by-9 pan. And Sharon says to preheat your oven, of course, and you're going to run the cake for just 35 minutes. Okay. I just want to mention to you that recently I was on a live show on the Steve Young 74 channel about 1 week ago. And Sharon had given me that very day a couple of amazing soup mix recipes. So if you have not had an opportunity to see that show, grab a pen, check out the show, and I give the amazing recipes. It's really, really, really worth it. So check them out if you'd like, because there are a lot of things that we can do on our own with stuff that we already have, and make our own mixes and have them ready. So there. Well, hope that you enjoy this cake. I saw a picture of the cake. I don't have it behind me because I'm not doing the green screen at the moment. But trust me on this, the picture was absolutely great. Hey, if you do make this cake, let me know. And if you enjoy more simple recipes and affordable recipes like this, please let me know. In the meantime, this has been Jan from New York City. Thank you so much for viewing Wine, because I really do appreciate whose time? Your time. Come back in the future for some more savings tips and tricks. Take good care, everyone. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Going to give you a little bit of an outro. Hopefully it'll work. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It actually worked. I'm going to have a really good day. Take good care, everyone. Bye-bye.